What natural cell processes do mRNA vaccines use? Imagine your body's cells as tiny factories working around the clock. When you get an mRNA vaccine, it's like sending a new set of instructions into these factories. These instructions are made of synthetic messenger RNA, which is a special type of genetic material. Once the vaccine is injected, the synthetic mRNA enters certain immune cells, especially dendritic cells, through a process called phagocytosis. Think of phagocytosis as the cell swallowing the instructions, just like how a bubble would engulf a small object. Inside the cell, the mRNA is read by the cell's ribosomes, which are like tiny protein factories. These ribosomes translate the instructions into viral proteins called antigens. This process happens in the cytoplasm, which is the fluid inside the cell, and it doesn't change the cell's DNA in the nucleus. After the antigens are made, they are processed inside the cell. Proteasomes, which are like molecular scissors, chop these antigens into smaller pieces. These pieces are then loaded onto molecules called major histocompatibility complex molecules, or MHC for short. These MHC antigen complexes are transported to the surface of the cell, where they act like flags, showing the immune system what to look for. When T cells see these flags, they get activated and start to respond. This activation also helps B cells produce antibodies that are specific to the viral antigens. This whole process mimics how your body naturally detects and fights infections. Besides activating the adaptive immune system, mRNA vaccines also trigger the innate immune system, which is your body's first line of defense. The lipid nanoparticles that deliver the mRNA also activate immune receptors called toll-like receptors. This activation causes the releases of signaling molecules like type I interferons and cytokines, which help recruit more immune cells to the vaccination site. Additionally, mRNA vaccines can cause epigenetic changes in innate immune cells. These changes are like adjusting the volume on certain genes, making the immune cells more responsive in the future. This means your innate immune system can respond more effectively not only to the targeted virus but also to other pathogens you might encounter later. To sum it up, mRNA vaccines use natural cell processes like taking in instructions, translating them into proteins, processing those proteins, and presenting them to the immune system. They also activate immune pathways and cause gene expression changes that help your body stay protected. This combination of processes helps your immune system build a targeted and lasting defense against specific infectious agents.